Hey friends, if you wish to install the Gmail app on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now you will definitely not find the Gmail app on the Microsoft Store. I didn't search for it, but I knew this thing. Okay, so you can go to Mail, but this is not the Gmail app. It is from some other provider. Don't install this one. Okay, so here's what you have to do. Open Microsoft Edge and go to gmail.com. You do not need to log in, just go to gmail.com. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select more tools, select apps, and then select the install this site as an app and select install. It will install Gmail as an app on your system and you can use it easily. This is called Progressive Web App. So search for Gmail and then you can open the Gmail app from here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.